I had a wife who was mentally ill. She was abusive verbally in the beginning, and as time went on, she became physically abusive.
I started my divorce with a different attorney before coming to A.D.A.M, and that was a very bad experience. I have the consequence. He simply invoiced me for it.
My partner and I started A.D.A.M back in 1988, and the reason that we started A.D.A.M was because we noticed that judges had a certain bias at that time against men in divorce cases, especially as it related to their interaction with children. We felt that if we could get the judges to look at the particular case as an individual case and the people as individuals, that we could achieve much better results for men in divorce.
What attracted me to calling A.D.A.M was the fact that their reputation with men's rights. They look out for what's important to us and to see that we get a fair shake in the legal system. And I've got 2 small children, and I've heard too many horror stories from my friends of they're losing contact with their kids and they get to see them once a month or every other weekend, and that just wasn't for me.
When I finally called A.D.A.M, I was able to be heard by the judge. It was empowering to have an opportunity to have the judge hear and understand my point of view.
And as we kept going to court multiple times, it was very much a pleasure to see how thorough A.D.A.M treated me and got the best results they could.
My wife filed for a change of domicile case. That case took over 7 months, about 15 different trial dates. And at the end, we actually came up with, I ended up winning full custody of my son. He does go to stay with his mom in the summers, and she gets him 1 weekend a month.
I won custody and pretty much got everything I was asking for. Kept the new car, kept a 6-bedroom house, had her paying me child support, got my son, got everything I wanted.
Dealing with my lawyer, A.D.A.M, was awesome. The customer service that I received, the attention to detail, she actually took an interest in my case and made me feel that I was the only person she was dealing with.
I've had a lot of clients take the time to write us letters thanking us for the job that we did, which is really what this giant book is. Clients are always starting from a point of having 100% of something. And by the time you're done with this process, in every case, you're ending up with something less. So for somebody to take the time to write a letter of appreciation under those circumstances, it's very rewarding.
Divorce is a very difficult and trying experience. For me, what A.D.A.M did for me is it kept me with my son. It allowed me to go out and still be able to play football with him. It allowed me to make sure that I don't miss the key moments in his life.
I would recommend A.D.A.M to anyone. It's an excellent law firm. They did a great job representing my case, and I would just want people to know that we're in a similar situation that I was in, that there is help out there, and it's with A.D.A.M.
My kids notice the impact. They notice things are better because I do have equal rights as a parent with my child.
If you find yourself in a difficult situation regarding divorce, separation, or other family law matters, we'd be happy to have you give us a call so we can discuss your matter. We'd be honored if you gave us the opportunity to represent you.
I would recommend A.D.A.M to anyone and everyone. Well, except for my ex-wife.